Yeah. That's the High Court. So the first step I want to talk about is owner-builder exemption with the NHBRC, National Home Builders Registration Council. It's a legal requirement. All new homes built in South Africa, they need to be registered with the NHBRC. Yeah, it has to be registered with the NHBRC. If you're using a builder, then that builder has to be registered with them as a professional builder, and then you or the builder needs to enroll the house that they're about to build. So they'll do it for you. There's an enrollment fee on a sliding scale depending on the estimated value of the house. I think maximum is around 30,000 or something like that. So if you're gonna build a house that's worth many millions of rands, you're gonna pay around about, let's say, 10 to 30,000 rand to enroll the house with the NHBRC. Oh, and also so the enrollment, it acts as an insurance by the NHBRC. So if there's any structural issues with the house, then you can submit a claim with them and they will rectify it, because you've used a builder that's registered by them, and so they provide that quality assurance, since they also conduct inspections of the build throughout the construction phases. So with the enrollment exemption, or with the owner-builder exemption, you are applying to be exempted from the legal requirements to enroll the house. So once you've applied for the exemption and they've given you, then the house will not be enrolled, and most importantly, it will not be inspected. So what that means is that you, as the owner builder, you take on the risk because there's no inspections done by the NHBRC. Because of that reason, by law, a house that is exempted in this way, it cannot be sold. So this house that I'm building, I can't sell it. The application itself, it's sort of straightforward. There's a lady at the NHBRC who I dealt with. She was the one who was dealing with the owner-builder exemption thing. So she explained all the processes to me and gave me all the various documents that I needed to submit. So one of the requirements was to write a technical assessment test. It's the same one that they give to people who want to register as builders. It's a multiple choice question that has to do with the various stages of the build. So the test, you write it at the NHBRC offices. So yeah, they ask technical questions such as I don't know, what's the minimum depth of a foundation or something like that. So yeah, it's an open book test, but they only allow you to to bring in the Sands 10400 book, I think. Yeah. I wrote that test twice. The first time I wrote it, I failed, and then I went back to write it a second time. It's a computerized test. You write it on their computer at their offices, and they give you the results immediately. Once the test is passed and all the documents are submitted, then they will submit your full application to their council, which will then make a decision. It took about 2 or 3 months to get a decision, but yeah, that was the first step.
Yes, sir. Him, when now we are fall. I mean, uku mo sasbalele mo when I uko. It will be the motor. Yeah, first day last week is our fall. First time now.
Difficile mo kugulethu.